Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
Let's draw together. Easy step-by-step drawing for kids with Coco the Panda. Welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. I'm Coco the Panda, and today we have a super fun activity planned. We're going to learn how to draw some delicious cherries. That's right, we're going to draw some delicious cherries step by step. These cherries will be super cute and a lot of fun to draw. So, let's get started. Materials. Here are the materials that you will need. First, you will need a black marker for outlines. And then you will also need some markers for coloring. Feel free to use crayons, watercolor, pastels, or other color pencils as another option. And of course, you will need some paper to draw on. And that's it. Let's get to some drawing. Yeah! For the drawing today, I'm going to get some help from my friend Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. First, let's get our piece of paper ready. We will start by drawing 2 round cherries. Let's start by drawing a round curvy line, almost a complete circle or oval. Next, let's draw a second cherry behind the first. If you like, you can have one really big cherry and one smaller cherry. Let's draw in the stems for the cherry next. We can drawing stems by drawing 2 parallel lines side by side. Let's have the cherry stems connected to each other. Next, let's draw a leaf at the end of the cherry stem. You can draw more than one leaf if you like. Let's draw some eyes for our cherry friends. You can choose to draw larger eyes if you like. Now, let's draw a mouth in between the 2 eyes. Isn't it so cute already? You can also change the facial expressions for the cherries too. Maybe one can be really happy and the other one can be very surprised. Now that we've finished the outline, I think we are ready to color. Doesn't it look fantastic already? Let's start by coloring in our cherries. Feel free to change up the cherry's color and use other colors besides red, maybe pink or yellow. Let's not forget to color in the stems and the leaf. Wow, look at our amazing little cherry friends. You all did a fantastic job. It looks so cute. If you like, you can also add some background, such as other fruits. Maybe some apples and plums. Use your imagination and fun with the drawing. The finished drawing of the little cherry friends. It is so adorable. Here is a closer look at the drawing. Drawing can be so much fun, especially when we do it together. You all did a fantastic job. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember, your art will get better with practice, so keep drawing and try new things. You may want to try this drawing again using different colors or adding different faces and expressions to your character. Use your imagination and have fun with your drawing. See you next time, and keep exploring and creating.